So at the IFA Berlin 2025 event, Oukitel unveiled the Oukitel WP60. It also unveiled the Oukitel WP61 Plus. The WP60 and the 61 Plus will launch on the 15th of October, or let's just say October. They will launch side by side. So next month we will see both 5G rugged phones. Now in terms of features, the Oukitel WP60 stands out mainly for its massive 7.2-inch display, making it one of the largest screens in the rugged phone segment. However, the resolution is just HD+, which might feel underwhelming on such a big panel, especially for reading or streaming. Under the hood, the device runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 processor, and it comes in multiple memory and storage options ranging from 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM to 16GB RAM and 512GB ROM, giving users flexibility depending on their needs. For cameras, the WP60 packs a 108MP main rear camera alongside 8MP and 2MP auxiliary lenses, plus a 32MP selfie shooter. The battery life is another highlight with a huge 10,000 mAh battery. The phone is built for extended outdoor or field use. It supports 33 watts fast charging, which is decent, though it may still take a while to fully recharge such a large battery. Other features includes Android 15 out of the box, NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and standard rugged durability, which includes IP68 and IP69K and military-grade standard 808 certifications. The device is available in yellow, gray, and silver options, offering some variety in looks. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP60. Currently, it's not available, so there's no official price. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to launch on the 15th of October. So this is what I have for you guys. What do you think about the Oukitel WP60? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.